Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Runpod. Now Runpod has to do with training, fine-tuning and deploying AI models. That's right, all in one cloud. So you can get started. Now it works with startups, academic institutions and enterprises. You can see some of them here going through this place. Now it helps you to develop, that is, globally distributed GPU cloud for your AI workload. Deploy any GPU workload seamlessly so you can focus less on infrastructure and more on running ML models. Then you can spin up a GPU pod in seconds and choose from about 50 plus templates ready out of the box, or bring your own custom container. You can get set up instantly with PyTorch, TensorFlow or any other pre-configured environment you might need for your machine learning workflow, along with manage and community templates. They also let you configure your own template to fix your deployment needs. So you can see them. You get powerful and cost-effective GPUs for every workload. So you can see all GPUs by clicking here. So many. Then you get to scale ML inference with serverless. Run your AI models with auto scaling, job queuing and sub 250 ms code start time. So you get real-time logs. Everything, in fact, let's put it this way, everything your app needs all in one cloud, you get it from Runpod. So these are the guaranteed uptime, network storage and requests. So some of the features are AI inference, AI training, auto scaling, bringing your own container. Like I said, you can deploy it yourself. So what are you waiting for? Launch your AI application in minutes. Start building with the most cost-effective platform for developing and scaling machine learning models today.